Hello everyone, welcome to my channels. Today I'm going to solve very important exponential equations. This type of questions is very common, so in any kind of competitive exams, it's a long type questions. So I'm going to solve it in very systematic way. Let's have a look. So what we can do, we need to do that we can take a common here from these two expressions. I will take two common. So if I take two commons, I will get x plus 5, right? Here I'll write the same thing, x raised to the power x plus 5. Okay. Then, as we know that 2 to the power 2 means 4. 4 to the power x plus 5 here. This side I'll write the same thing as usual, x plus 5. Then here I will do one thing, that is I will divide it by this term only. 11 raised to power x plus 5. Here also with the same term divided by 11 raised to the power x plus 5. Why I am dividing? In order to make it 1. So this will cancel with each other. So I can write now, if it is like that, here the power is x plus 5, here also power the x plus 4. So we can write in this way by the laws of exponent. So x plus 5. So 4 over 11 whole to the power x plus 5. Here it will give you 1. Now as we know that anything to the power 0, we can write, in order to get the solutions, here we have to just little bit adjustment will be there. What is that adjustment? I will write same to the power 4 by 11 to the power 0, because as I know that anything to the power 0 is 1. So instead of ones we can write these expressions. Now according to the laws of explanations, if base are same, then we can equate their power. If it is equal, we can equate their power. That means x plus 5 equal 0. Since the base are same, therefore x is minus 5 is the answer. I hope I can make it clear for everyone. So thank you for watching.